Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Apple Intelligence so the features are active immediately. Open Settings, go to Siri and search, then toggle Apple Intelligence on. Sign in with your Apple ID and make sure you grant microphone, photo, and location access. These permissions let the model personalize responses. Once done, choose your preferred language and voice feedback style. Pick concise for quick replies or detailed for fuller answers. This initial setup ensures accurate suggestions and secure personalization tied to your iCloud data. Next, customize how Apple Intelligence uses your data so results match your routine. In Intelligence settings, set relevance priorities. Tell it which apps and contacts matter most because that directs its suggestions and shortcuts. Adjust memory and context windows. Shorter memory avoids stale suggestions, while longer memory helps multi-step workflows. Then enable live text, on-device processing, and app integrations like Mail and Calendar. These let the model read text from images, act locally for privacy, and compose or schedule directly. Finally, use Apple Intelligence by invoking Siri, tapping the Control Center shortcut, or using a keyboard shortcut. Ask clear, multi-step prompts and review the draft before sending messages or creating events. For automation, create templates and allow suggestions for repeat tasks so the system learns faster. If things go wrong, first restart the iPhone and test again. Make sure permissions and network are active, and if persistent, reset Apple Intelligence settings. That troubleshooting step clears corrupted context while keeping your iCloud data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.